This is a typical auto workshop in Nigeria. It's loud, it's intense, and it's a world almost completely run by men. Now, I've been told that I'm not cut out for this kind of work, so I decided to put that to the test.
It's not aligning.
Yeah, keep turning. Yes, and that's it. Touch it with your bare hands, for Christ's sake.
This is heavy. It's awesome. Is he okay?
That's what it is. Oh.
Is it coming down?
I went in expecting to learn how to fix some of the most common car faults, but what I actually learned was a heartbreaking truth about this profession. A dark cycle that's been passed down for generations, which has nothing to do with cars and everything to do with survival.
Do you want to understand what it takes to learn a mechanic work?
I don't know what it takes.
I'm so sorry. I've not done this before.
I can't even.
Alright, so go.
Yeah.
In my quest to live like a mechanic for 48 hours, I knew I needed a guide, so for the next 2 days, I will be trained by Matthew, an auto mechanic and contortionist, on how to identify and fix several car faults, but beginning with how to service a
Something
car.
you should be able to do on your own, yeah. There's no big deal about that. So, whenever you want to service your car, you have to like park a bit and let it cool down.
So this is not cool.
It's not cool. No, it's okay. This is okay now because they parked the car for a while.
Okay.
Yeah. So at first, you open the engine cover, and this is your dipstick for the oil gauge.
When the jack came out, I knew it was time for my favorite part.
Can I need to take on my watch? Have you ever slept on that car?
Several times. At times you'll be very, very tired, drained, and you get to see the opportunity where they'll be like, okay, go load this stuff under the car. Man, that's when the kind of breeze that start blowing that moment. You just have to sleep off, and I sleep off completely. So this is the air filter.
Okay.
You know, cars are like programmed the way we human beings are. They also breathe. Sorry. And this is where the car breathes from.
Oh.
Whenever this thing is dead now, you need to like remove it.
Oh, that has a lot of those.
You might get to some cars and the system is different, like entire system is different. Alright, so we'll wait for the oil to drain and afterwards, replacements.
But first, before learning how to fix a car, I need to learn how the parts work.
I don't even heard of anything brake pad.
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
So this is what we call brake pad in car.
Oh, this.
Let me explain how it works.
Yeah. Oh,
Grab
this
the
is not what holds it.
Yeah.
I get it now.
You can see how they
Going to
flow.
show off to my dad.
And then learn how to replace them.
So at first, I don't know, if you have your toolbox,
Yeah.
you need to like know the number of the bolts. So at this point now, I think it's 14. Not that I think, I know it's 14. After moving, you bring this up,
Oh, I see.
and this is your brake pad. Today we actually thought we'd be having like a full workshop like the other days where we get to work into the night. The workshop is busy, everyone is busy with these activities like this or that.
And because we don't have many cars to work on today, I asked to fix the tires on this one, and that was my first task.
Okay.
This is heavy. Oh. So, it doesn't look heavy, but it's heavy.
Yeah, yes.
It's not aligning.
Yeah, keep turning, yes, and that's it. So this time around, you have to like bend exactly,
Okay.
put this one inside.
So proud of myself.
Exactly. So the next, and this is the wheel spanner.
Okay, that you used to tighten it.
Yeah, all them nuts have their own sizes. This is
Yeah.
21, this is 19, this is 17, and this is 23.
Call me engineer.
We have to like retighten the tire first.
Okay.
So still 19.
Hey, Jim. Do you know 19 without looking at it?
Yeah. Does that work? Yeah. We're done. On to the next side.
Why is it taking so long to get?
Yeah.
I feel like it was faster for you.
Yeah, you can just pull this to make it faster. Then you roll. So you drag
Which
this
way do I go?
This way.
That's
No,
front,
no,
back.
no. Let me show you. The right hand is here.
I didn't think this was going to be a challenge until we got here.
I'll be strong.
And now I'm left-handed, so it kind of confuses me. Whenever I have to do anything that involves directions, like I'm just...
And you, let me help you. I'm okay, Ocean Kalin. Exactly.
You know, work smart, not
Can
hard.
you see?
Like a bro model. Is it coming down?
It's coming down, it's coming down.
It's my eyes then. I'm getting a hang of it.
It's getting better.
I think we're down.
Yes, we're done.
Good.
So now bring it out. Yeah.
God, I'm so confused with direction. So is it good?
There's just one way you use and tight. Exactly.
I don't know where my left is. That's the problem. Okay, here.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, well done. You're good. You're good. Up 10 to
My sense of direction is very poor. Now we're going to test drive what we've done.
Our latest engineer.
Right. Hey, you guys. Hello, hello. My colleagues, nice to meet you.
Knowing that I only had a few days to lay claim to being a mechanic, I made sure to ask every question I could think of.
What's 0W21?
So that's like the quality of the oil.
So you're going to like check all 4 of them. The box they opened in that car, is it this? It gets that hot. What does that even mean? Sorry, I'm asking too many questions. What's the problem being that? Does it show like mechanical fault?
It's not like for leg. We can show mechanical fault. Maybe it's firing parts. Maybe the engine is jerking or something.
Oh, okay.
Matthew, have you started?
Oh, so it's reading all the sensors pretty much. I don't know.
This is the radiator.
Oh, this.
Yeah, the radiator, yeah. So you guys to check your order from here. And this is the reservoir. This is maximum and this is the minimum. And now to get the engine oil. So it's meant to like stay on this dot. It can be above it a bit. But
So the oil should never.
Never. Never. If your oil is getting to this level, you should be ready to get another engine.
Let me be going first now. The hands of an auto mechanic. Somebody who studied agri. This is not. It's not shocking. My hands are not shocked.
Before I got here this morning, my plan was to order for takeout. But when it was time for lunch, I realized that you would hardly find a mechanic actually ordering for takeout. Not because they can't afford it, but it's not their lifestyle. And if I'm going to complete a full shift, living like a mechanic at a workshop, then I have to eat like one as well.
You drink Gary normally?
No, I drink Gary normally, but like that's not food. Like that's like when you are sitting in your house and you're bored.
Isn't that sitting like that? So we it's food for us.
What do you drink Gary with?
Fully your granules.
Where did we get Gary from? Let's try the Gary.
Oh, Gary Lamamu. Oh, she's very order one shower. I go back. When Gary Lamamu too. Yeah, I got the bottle water. I got pure water.
Oh yeah,
I like
one.
bottle water. You drink Gary.
Hey, God.
Last time cost. Last time
Really
cost.
last time cost. How much now for everything?
Just bottle water, 300.
300.
Okay, 2,000.
450. Lunch is ready for you.
It's ready.
Do people wash their hands in this place?
That's the hygiene. So this I went to this canteen here to eat, and the lady was like, "Wash your hand now." I said, "You guys won't understand. Like my eyes, we are seeing stars. They told me already."
You say make like they wash
I just have
hands.
to sit down food and start eating immediately. Somebody wash hand.
Why isn't this like egusi soup? Come join us.
Not be so, sir.
What would you say is most difficult part of the work that you do?
It might not be like difficult, but I can say it's kind of stressful when you have to like bring down the complete engine of a car.
And that was why I came back for day 2. But on the morning of day 2, I showed up with a sharp stabbing abdominal pain. Every single movement hurt, but I couldn't let it show because I felt that quitting or even taking a break would be ammunition for everyone who believed I was too weak to be there. So I forced myself to power through the pain, and what better way to power through pain than watching a whole engine being dropped.
Oh my God.
What are you see? Let me come back.
That was so cool watching them take down this engine.
Without taking a break, we continued with other tasks, and of course, errors were made.
What was the problem for this one too?
He's having transmission issue. At this point, we'll work together.
Yeah.
You help me pour it inside.
Okay. God, I'm your apprentice. Is he okay?
That's what it is. Uh-oh.
In Nigerian mother, I mean, want to pack this oil.
But that didn't stop us from fixing other problems.
What's the problem with this one?
We diagnosed this today. It was showing random multiple cylinder misfire.
So it's misfire when, like, you know, like we are moving and it's like.
As if the pain was not enough, the sun did not come out to play today. I was getting dehydrated faster than I ever have doing any job, so I had to constantly restock on my water supply.
And I look as if I'm overeating.
Do you think that this sun is a difficult part? This heat?
I can say this sun is like a natural thing. It comes to the weather. There are times where everywhere is cold. Look at rain season now. Because this place is like a temporary place. So in situations where rain is falling, everywhere is cold, like extra cold.
Yeah.
And there's some job you just have to do. I can
So
say
you work under the rain?
Yes, several times. I close to be soaked.
Crazy.
Thankfully, I only got to experience the scorching sun and not the rain on my first shift. But seeing how hard Matthew and the other mechanics worked under these conditions made me realize that the job is more than just the physicality of it. Now, one of the goals for this series is to support people like Matthew. So please subscribe if you haven't, because your support is what helps me bring these stories to life.
Okay.
I nearly drank this thing.
Like you dropped it?
Let me tighten it for you. Injector cleaned. Plugs changed.
Yeah.
Start the damn car. My guy don't finish work.
Give her.
What?
Two of the cars we had worked on had very specific problems. So as a good mechanic, Matthew and I took the cars to a technician who worked on specialized problems.
One interesting thing that I'm starting to learn through this episode is that no matter how hard you work or how well you do it, some people are just not going to be able to imagine a woman doing certain roles, especially a woman as a mechanic.
She knows the learn work actually. They do the documentary.
What do you mean you don't have anybody under you? What am I?
Do you want to understand what it takes to learn a mechanical work? You can just come out afternoon now. Meet one small innocent boy kneeling down at this sun, carrying maybe one big stone on his head. Because why? Maybe he came to shop late. Maybe he didn't sweep the shop.
I did that for 6 years.
For 6 years. There were times I was like, we'll be like, we've committed something like that, so punishment is no food for you guys. And we just started. Well, we don't know any. There's no source of make income.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no source of income, so
like they're the ones that buy food
for
you.
us.
So if they say no food for you,
there's no food for us that day. Imagine walking under this hot sun and you are drained, no strength, no food, and they still want you to come and do the work.
Bro, that's slave trade.
They're like, that's how they were brought up. That's how they taught them. Man, we've gone through that stage, and that's why I'm always supporting any younger person I see. Yeah.
This shit is heavy.
Of course, so you expect it. That's 75 grams. So
now,
first, like I said,
this is
exactly
negative. So I have to turn it in the direction
Sweet.
first.
Yes. I'm not helping you.
Because if I was an electro mechanic, I would not be getting help.
Yeah, makes sense then.
Does this sit perfect?
Yeah.
And then this research. Maybe I should have put the terminal first before this bullshit I'm doing. I know I'm so wrong. Because this shit has to screw. Is there another screw?
There's another one.
Yeah, nah, this kind of like adds up. I should have noticed this thing more. I think I know what I did wrong.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
This one needs to spark.
You've not fixed the terminal. That's like clip. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. No worries. Touch it with your bare hands, for Christ's sake.
Yes, sir. Let's not do chores and chore me, baby. Finish. Now I'm checking the water and the oil and the engine. Oh, it has like a. I had no idea. This is what it feels like.
Yeah, you have to pull it out.
The engine oil is sufficient, but the air is not very clean. You won't have this kind of too. He needs to bring his car back to us
Sure.
in like 3 weeks. This is the radiator connected to the reservoir, so we don't need more water.
Alright, makes sense then.
And his engine is
Alright. Sorry.
no. This should sit here.
Yeah.
Common sense.
And there you go.
Did it close well? It's closed. Yes, close well. What would you rate my performance? Truly, if I was your apprentice, will you be like, get out of my workshop and never come back?
If I would like you to come back again, definitely yes. Because it's kind of surprising and something you've not done before. Yeah, you kept on to you're able to like even lift the tire, fix into the wheel, and that was bravo. I will give you 70. As it's been the first time you're doing that, like we're able to like go to that length. So what will happen in the next 6 months?
I guess we'll never know.
Never. Unfortunately. I mean, you can't predict the future. Thank you for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you did enjoy it, you can wait for the next episode. And while you wait for it, let me know in the comments what other roles you'd like to see me attempt next. Till next time, have fun.